Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking tempo and grid so ideas land. Set BPM and time signature to match your groove, then create a software instrument track and load a drum kit or sampler. This gives immediate tactile sounds. Once done, arm the track and enable low latency mode. Make sure your audio buffer sits around 128 or 256 samples to reduce input lag. You'll now be ready to record MIDI hits or draw patterns in the piano roll without wasting time on trivial settings. Now focus on pattern creation and sound design. Program a strong kick and snare pattern using the step sequencer for quick iteration or draw in the piano roll for precise control. You'll adjust velocities and add swing to humanize the groove. Layer a secondary sample under the kick or use parallel routing to thicken the sound. Then make sure to insert EQ and compression on the drum bus, plus a transient shaper if needed, so the beat punches through the mix and sits with energy. Finish by arranging sections and polishing transitions so the beat tells a story. Duplicate your patterns to build intro, verse, and chorus sections, then add variation with fills, filter sweeps, and automation to keep momentum. Once your mix feels balanced, bounce individual stems for mastering or collaboration. Make sure to check on headphones and monitors to catch phase issues, unwanted clipping, or masking. If something sounds off, solo groups to isolate the problem, often
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.